Hello, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Lily. Today we are going to introduce our super gradient color fabrics. They come in 5 amazing colors. And this one is white color, pink color, light purple, light blue, and light green color. Each color we have in pillow cover, shopping bag, and the drawing backpack. You can see these colors are very special and they can add some difference to embellish our room or office. And the shopping bag or drawing backpack can also highlight our daily looks when we outside. Now let's see how cool the colors. This one is light purple, light blue, white, light green, and each one we will pack it in an individual PP bag. Here is the shopping bag and the drawing backpack. It's very nice when we hang outside. Now let's see the shopping bag and drawing backpack. Light blue, light purple, light green, and the white color. This one is drawing backpack. Light green, white, pink, light purple, and light blue colors. We have put all the details and colors on the screen so you can check them directly. What's more, these gradient color brands are polyester material, so we can do sublimation printing easier with perfect effect. After sublimation printing, the rusters will be transferred onto the printout design. Now let's see how to do the sublimation printing. Before we do the sublimation printing, we need to open the zipper, then do it. Our printing image is ready now by our inkjet printer. So now we will use 180 degrees Celsius and 1 minute to do the printing. We will cover a piece of resistant paper, then press. Okay, time's up. Lift up the machine, remove the paper, and check the printing image. Very nice, right? Wow, I like this green color shopping bag very much. Which one you like best? Don't forget to ask our sales assistant for more information. See you next time.